What's good? What's good? What up? What up? What up, everybody? What's good? What's good? What's up? How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? You guys see the merch? Yup. Yo. Yup. This is the hoodie that they give you once you become super ultra profitable. So when you have this hoodie, that means you're super ultra profitable. You're not just profitable. You're not just super profitable. You're super ultra profitable. This is the hoodie that you get. You know what I'm saying? W, TPT, W prop firm. Get away from your mic? Damn. Okay. Fuck. Mic's fucked? What you mean? Wait, is the mic bad? What happened? It's fine, bro. It's literally fine. Mic's good? Yeah, bro. Bam Bam's tweaking out. Yo, Bam, stop tweaking. Okay, guys, let's do a daily outlook. I keep saying weekly outlook every time I come in here. Let's pause the music real quick and let's do a, let me get the hoodie or it's up. This shit gonna cost you this shit is gonna cost you. Look how tough this is, bro. Yo, no hoodie, no like, you know what I'm saying? Nice material, W material, like, bro, WTPT. Okay, let's do drawstring. Yes, correct, exactly. So let's do, meanwhile it's August, bro. It's cold in my house, bro. Okay, daily outlook. Okay, daily outlook. Right, here's my daily outlook. My daily outlook is that price action is absolutely garbage. Corp. Yo, my daily outlook is that price action is absolutely garbage. And I don't think that we're gonna see a big move here tonight. If you guys have been noticing, New York has been pretty garbage, and so has Asia, right? So like both are equally garbage. And so, like, you know, I'm kind of at the point where I'm not really coming here to, like, force any trades or do anything. It's just like, bro, if we see something, we see something. If we don't, then we don't. But pretty much the only thing that we have here today for a daily manipulation leg is gonna be this 4-hour gap and then this 4-hour gap, right? The two 4-hour gaps that we have. It's the only place that the daily could possibly manipulate. We don't have anywhere that the hourly could really manipulate besides this Wixie, which we did just hit. We hit the 1-hour Wixie, and that's what this thing is starting to go up off of. So we'll see if that, you know, continues or not, or what. But yeah, I mean, other than that, the 4 hours I do like because it's right under the CPI low, right? It's right under the data low. So because it's under data low, I'm thinking sweep and then go, hopefully. But yeah, New York AM was pretty uneventful. How many of you guys did the CPI method and did it work? The 1-day pass CPI method, did it work? A full put of CPI on 4 evals that were 400 away from a copy trade and made 2,400 on 3. Somehow the fourth one blew. It's all good. I'm out of the red. Just need them pass. Nice. Failed. It did not work. I passed my account on CPI, blew a 5-stack LCPI. Yeah, so, what I was seeing was that the move actually was made, like, before CPI even dropped. It was a bit weird, but yeah, the move got made before CPI even dropped, bro, which is like, but this is what it would have looked like. I'll show you guys what it would have looked like. This would have been your swing high here. This would have been your swing low, right? I'm using this as a swing high because we're not going to go this far back, right? It's not necessary. But right here, that would have been the high, and then that would have been the low. And we pretty much like kind of see what's going on from there. You put your buy stop at this high. Let's say you're able to trade 60 micros, which is 6 minis. $3,000 here, stop there, right? And I don't know if it hit or not. It ended up hitting. But I think like inside of it hitting, it actually like took the high and then dumped a little bit and then went again. So it would have, if you were max size, it would have probably stopped you out. So not too sure like what's going on with that, but whatever. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of where I'm at. I know a lot of new people are gonna start coming into my lives in the next like few days, as people do. Like people cycle in and out of here, but we get a bunch of new people. One thing that I want to like just clarify before you guys even like get too deep into these streams, and this is kind of applicable for any streamer online that is streaming themselves trading. They will have really good days, they will have really good weeks, they will have really good months, and then the market will just be garbage, and so they'll start losing, okay? Or they just won't take trades or whatever the case might be, right? I'm at a point in my career now, right? I'm almost 8 years, right? I'm going to start my 8th year this September, or sorry, this November is going to be my 8th year starting trading, okay? I'm at a point now where I can identify the market and when it is going to be asked and when my edge is not present. So I don't come here and trade funded accounts and lose, okay? I know the market is not good. I tell you guys the market is not good. And so when that is the case, I don't trade my funded accounts. I will only trade evals, right? So as you guys can see, this is an eval. I have evals loaded up here, and that's what I'm trading, okay? When the market cleans up again, I will trade the fundeds, okay? And these will hopefully be fundeds by then. But right now, while the market is garbage during New York, during Asia, really like London was the only decent session. While the market is garbage during the 2 sessions that we trade, my edge isn't really there. I know this. I'm not going to be trading on my fundeds. I'm only going to be trading on my evals, okay? So just want to make that, you know, a little clear. Last month, we had an amazing, amazing month together, right? We had a beautiful month last month. Made over $20,000, I think, total from TPT last month. I took around $30,000. All the trades taken here on stream. I took the payouts here on stream. And this month might not be, it might be a little bit slower, okay? So, like, you gotta know that, you gotta accept it, and then that's the mindset moving forward, okay? So, because I know people are gonna ask, like, oh, why are you not trading your fundeds? Why are you, why are you not trading live account? Why are you, boom, boom, whatever, okay? It's a risk thing, right? Like, I'm not putting on the risk when I know my edge is not present, as should all of you guys, right? So, if you're one of those people that all you're doing right now is losing, then this message is probably for you, because you know that whatever system you trade, your edge probably isn't there. If it's just constantly losing, your edge isn't really there. So just size down or go into evals so you're not really losing, real money. But yeah, I mean, The goal of these streams is to come here and just give you guys some sauce and give you guys some game. I can see that there's been a bit of like an expectation from a few people in here, like, oh, why are you not in a trade? Why are you not in a trade? Bro, I don't come here so people can copy trade me, right? Like, obviously, that's a part of the stream. You guys are going to be able to see the trades that I take. If you want to copy trade them, go ahead. But that's not the point of this stream, right? So, just a few things I wanted to clarify before we kind of continue on, okay? But, yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Apparently, this was the most bullish August in over 40 years. It was. But I mean, we knew it was going to be bullish because we took the lows last month, right? Like, it was pretty obvious that it was going to be a bullish August. Can I ask what indicator you're using to get higher time frame candles on your chart? Yep, right here. Manifest, what's up, bro? Do you use order flow? No, I don't. I don't. It kind of sounds like I do, right? But my name has nothing to do with order flow. I've never used order flow in my life. W rule setting? Yeah, exactly. No order flow, just flow. Yeah, no order flow, bro. Just flow, just straight flow, man. But yeah, I mean, let's see if we can get some nice eval trades. Even with the trades that I take on eval, like I try to take like good trades. You know, I don't gamble the evals away. Yeah, you know. Do you trade MNQ only, or do you dip into other futures such as gold? So sometimes I trade gold. I used to trade gold a lot more than I do now, but recently, recently as in this year, NQ has been, moving pretty nice, and so with excluding like this month so far, but it's been moving pretty nice, and so I put some more focus on trading NQ for sure. You found your I did, bro. I found my TVT hoodie. 8 years of trading. What are the 3 things you recommend a new trader to focus on? Discipline, 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 bro. I'm telling you, like I can't even stress that enough. It's just discipline. That's it. And I know it's kind of vague, but I talk a lot about like I expand a lot into the discipline side of things, but anything really related to the monetary aspect of trading, the more you can get detached from the money aspect of trading, the better off you'll be. The better your discipline will be. Like it kind of like feeds into discipline, right? But yeah, discipline is like a more broad term to that it's like an umbrella term for, revenge trading, over trading, sizing ups, whatever, all those things, right? Everything kind of ties into discipline. But the discipline stuff also ties into money. Money is the root of all the problems. So if you eliminate the monetary factor and the monetary aspect of trading, there is no more expectation of money anymore, right? And then that automatically will get you to detach from the money. One thing that a lot of people ask me, because I say this all the time, right? Detach from money, detach from money, detach from money. I tell you guys this all the time. The easiest way that you can detach from money, and I'm talking about like get to the root of the problem, not fucking change your trade from money to ticks, okay? Besides that, the root of the problem, how do you attack the root of the problem? The best way that you can do that is by sizing down into like 1 micro, okay? You take good trades, whatever trades that you normally take those trades, but take them with 1 micro instead of the normal size that you normally put on, okay? After so much time of using 1 micro, what's going to happen is that you're making almost no money, right? You're making almost no money that subconsciously you kind of detach from money overall, right? After months and months of doing this, after months and months of trading with 1 micro, what do you think is going to happen? You're not going to care about the money. You're not going to have any expectation for money, right? Because, bro, you're not making anything on 1 micro anyways. You get it? Like, you're not making shit. So it gets to a point where you don't have any expectation of money from the market. You don't trade for the money anymore because you're not making much of it. You're trading to take good trades. That's why you're trading. Okay. And if you can do that over time, you will slowly just detach yourself from money, bro. That's what's going to happen. Okay. But yeah. Guess what? Showed a Tinder date my funded account. She flipped in 2 seconds from not interested to into me. Game is game, bro. Game is game, I guess. But yeah, I did do that myself. Yes, I did do that myself. I had to do that multiple times, bro. I didn't just do that one time. I had to do that multiple times because I knew, like, I knew that having no expectation of the money would just force me to take good trades. Like my main focus then becomes taking good trades. It goes from making this amount of money or whatever to I'm here to take good trades because the money don't even matter because I'm trading one goddamn micro. So it doesn't matter, right? So yeah, all-time highs is my weakness. Okay, so if you know that all-time highs is your weakness, then guess what? You probably shouldn't trade all-time highs, right? You just don't trade all-time highs at all. That's the only thing you could do. Don't touch all-time highs. Wait for like higher time frame pullbacks. Trade the longs up into all-time highs instead. But yeah, I agree. I mean, bro, there's no data. Like, how are you going to trade all-time highs? You can't really, you know? Yeah, so could you explain the market structure for NQ and daily time frame? I think market structure Swift and currently at 61.8 retracement level. Market structure for me on the daily time frame is no doubt bullish. No doubt in my mind, it's bullish on a daily time frame for sure. On a weekly time frame, actually, we are creating a weekly fair value gap here that it may want to pull down into to then make another move higher. That's a possibility, right? Because this week's range is very, very small, very, very small range. So it could possibly come down to the weekly fair value gap and then go, but this is clearly a bull flag, right? Very, very clearly a bull flag. So can you teach us how to spot garbage environment? Well, the first thing you do is you look at the economic calendar. If you have something like CPI or PPI or FOMC in the middle of the week or NFP at the end of the week, then chances are that week is not going to be that good, right? And then on top of that, you can just use the daily candles where if we're clearly not expecting or if we're clearly not, you know, reacting to these daily PDRAs very well, then it's not going to be that good. That's like every week. No, it's not. You think CPI and FOMC is every week? CPI, FOMC, and NFP is every week? Come on, bro. But yeah, this this would have been like sign number 1, right? Tuesday, we closed through this daily fair value gap after we get the 1 hour change in state to the upside. We closed through it to the downside. And so obviously, like immediately off the bat, I'm like, okay, this is not going to be that good. This week isn't going to be good. And I told you guys last night, this daily fair value gap means absolutely nothing. And what happened? It didn't mean absolutely anything. And it went up and took the high of the week. Right. And so, yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. We have a Wednesday high of the week so far. So we'll see. We'll see what this thing does. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we're coming into this with kind of like an open mind. Don't really have a hard bias, but I would like to see a little bit lower for this thing to go and tap that 4 hour gap, manipulate there, and then go up from there. So that's what I'm looking for today. All right. How much does it cost on live account to keep trades overnight? For 1 mini, to overnight 1 mini, you need about $40,000 to overnight 1 mini. Nay, what's good, Nay? What's good, my brother? Basically 3 times a month, though. It's not 3 times a month, bro. It's not 3 times a month. How was August for you last year? People don't have good results in August. My August was fine, bro. I had a great August. Last year, I mean, I was streaming. Last year was great. The only red months that I had last year was November and December. November and December, I struggled. But, bro, August, it was great. Anything besides that, it was great. I'm holding those trades from last week's low on my live. Loving it. Hell yeah, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why this dude always sound like he got a stuffy nose? You subscribe just to say that, bro. Like... We need another trade day like August 4th. Like August 4th? Wait, what do we do on August 4th? Oh, yeah, bro. That was phenomenal. Yeah, bro. I fucking banked that day, man. Made about 30K across everything. It was such a sick day. It was one of my biggest days this year. Actually, it was my biggest day this year. That was my biggest day this year. Made about 30 grand across everything. W day, man. Definitely need another one of those. Is that valid CISD right now? 1 minute? No, there's no valid. Actually, yeah, there is a valid CISD. The only thing is, bro, we've already gotten multiple 1 minute CISDs out of that. So, like, I wouldn't even trust it, bro. I wouldn't even trust it. I mean, this is low resistance liquidity, so it should go up. But, yeah, I mean, I don't trust it that much. NFP and CPI happen once every month. FOMC is every 6 weeks. Right. So, like, where in that equation does 3 times a month come in? Plan to trade November, December this year? Yeah. Yeah. Just because they were red last year doesn't mean I'm gonna, like, not trade them this year. I was tempted to take that, but the market's not good. Yeah, bro. I mean, look, okay, here's the thing. Here's our 15-minute fair value gap. Okay? Let's count how many 1 minute CISDs we've gotten. Right? Let's count. 1. Got chuzzed. 2. Got chuzzed. And now, finally, we are on the 3rd one. We're now on the 3rd one. And it's kind of working. So, obviously, I'm not going to take... You know, I'm not going to take that. After it's the 3rd time of us coming into that... You know, getting that CISD. So, I'll stay away from that one. I'll watch it. 5-minute OB, yes. 100%. We do have a 5-minute OB here. I'm long from 819. Nice, nice, very nice. Can you show how to spot order block? It's confusing. Yeah, I got you. Look for a low. See how this is a low right here? Cool. Look for the candle that breaks the low. Boom, candle breaks the low. When we close above these 2 candles that break the low, right? These 2 red candles, this becomes an order block. There you go. That is your order block right there. Now, the reason why I don't use order blocks a lot in my trading is because if you guys notice, in just about every single order block, there is also fair value gap. And if you look at hierarchy of pity arrays, fair value gaps hold more weight than order blocks. So that's why I would use an order block. That is not a breaker block. The breaker would be this one. This is the breaker right here. The green candle is the breaker. But yeah, I don't really pay too much attention to other pity arrays. I just look at fair value gaps and that's it. What is PDL arrays? It's PD arrays, premium discount arrays, price delivery arrays. It's just a term for fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks, rejection blocks, all the blocks and all the gaps and all that stuff. Hold on, let me grab a water. Why'd you say you'd use an order block after saying gaps hold more weight? I didn't say that. I'm the longest standing member watching you. I still haven't gotten a spin in the name of Matt. Bruh. Igor, what's up, bro? You gotta earn the spins, man. You gotta earn the spins. Almost to the Asia high. We should go make a new Asia high here. If we can get a nice closure past this high, it shouldn't return back down to this low. All right, we just need to see a nice closure above this high. There is no reason for us to return back down to this low anymore if we do that. Curious if you ever notice how Asia likes to reverse at 9:30 or close to it. Well, it's not that it likes to reverse, but you'll always get a move close to 9:30, right? Why? Because there's a 10 p.m. candle that opens up. 10 p.m. has to manipulate. So whichever way it's going, it'll kind of stop dead in its tracks at 10, it'll retrace, then it'll go again. You know? So you ever trade silver? No, I didn't trade silver, bro, during that whole like silver craze. You did say that, but I think you misspoke. I might have misspoken, I'm not sure. Apologize to me? All right, bro, my bad. If this goes up, would you target previous day high first? Let's get there first. Then maybe previous week high. Let's go one at a time, right? Let's go one at a time. First, the PM highs, right? First PM highs, then previous day high, then previous week high. Let's not just jump straight to previous week high. We got a few pity arrays to go before we get there. Or we got a few highs to go, sorry. Here's 10 p.m., guys. 10 p.m. Nowhere for this to manipulate yet. Unless we leave this 15-minute gap here for it to manipulate, like we consolidate for the first 15 minutes, leave the 15-minute gap, go in, and then go. That could be something. But yeah, let's see. Data low yesterday's a protected low. Not yet. Not a protected low yet. Is it just me or price action sucks lately? No, it's not just you. It absolutely does. It 100% does. Learning a lot from the stream. Thanks, Key. Love that you know exactly what you're looking for. Remains really calm. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate you. Why is... Hold on, guys. My friend's calling me. All right. When is it considered a protected low? When we have a 4 hour, 1 hour, like higher time frame gaps. So we have this low or this fair value gap right here, which is under the data low, right? We have a 1 hour gap down here, also under the data low. And we don't have any other fair value gaps or anything like that under these lows. Now, I guess you could argue that this 15-minute gap here could protect this low, right? The current daily low. But I'm not like too sure about that. The only PD array we have down here that this is bouncing from again is the hourly Wixie. The hourly Wixie is where this is bouncing from. Okay. So we'll see if it if it holds or if it doesn't. But I mean, yeah, we'll see. So far, it is consolidating like pretty good. We got another 12 minutes to go though. You have friends key? Very few. Very few. What are your thoughts on Blue Sky? I don't know what the fuck Blue Sky is. I never traded it, so not somebody that can comment on it. But I know Blasky has something to do with it, and that's already sketchy. So like, you know, already it's like kind of, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. See, there he goes, bro. He goes Blue Sky good. Hey, Key, gap tap versus FVG midpoint. Which do you prefer? Honestly, either or, Air Furnish. I don't have like a, I don't have a preference on a tap, like an IOFVD or a midpoint. It's just whatever gives me my buy model. I don't really care, you know. I mean, longs on an eval. I want to hold to PDH. Can I hold for NYAM? Sure, but we have news in the morning, so. Nick, what's good, bro? What's good, Nick? What's good, Nick? Where are the grapes and cherries? No grapes and cherries tonight. You know what I do have though? I have a bunch of nuts. Pause. I have a bunch of nuts, bro. Hold up. I'll eat those later. New Asia High. New Asia High. New Asia High. Use chart patterns? Nah, I don't, bro. I mean, I look at them and I acknowledge them, but I don't trade them. Like, I'm not gonna draw out a bull flag and then trade the breakout of the bull flag, if that's what you're asking. Nuts is wild? Bro, why is nuts wild? It's like a bunch of cashews and shit. It's good. Yo, you guys gotta make everything sus, huh? Why you guys gotta make food sus? Like, you gonna try to tell me that you're scared to eat a bunch of cashews because it's nuts and you're sus? Come on, bro. This guy said I love nuts. Pause, bro. Because let's like put some context behind that. Saying I love nuts is crazy. Let's not say that. You know, I love cashews. Name the nut. I love cashews. I love almonds. Let's not just say I love nuts. You know, that is sus. That's for sure sus. You know what else I got? Pipsqueak water bottle. Pipsqueak water bottle. The big water bottle is gone. I got the Pipsqueak water bottle now. So, nut flow trades. Yo, Ascend Bear, chill, bro. How about a spin for longing the 1 hour Wixie? Mac, Mac, are you in the Discord? Show me the execution. Show me a screenshot of you in the trade, and I'll give you a spin. Send a screenshot. Phaseroo. Yo, Phaseroo, somebody was in the Discord impersonating you today, bro. Somebody came in the New York PM stream and impersonated you, bro. Immediately, like, that was you? No, it wasn't. I refuse to believe that that was you, bro. I don't believe it. Wait, you're guys, what was that guy's name? Yasi, what was his name? He was talking to you. I forgot his damn name. Loaf. Wait, you're Loaf, Phaseru? What? You're Loaf, bro? What the hell? Marketing pays. What's up, bro? What are we looking at tonight? We're just looking, bro. I'll be honest with you. We're just looking. Help me understand if I had a good buy model, trying to see if I'm recognizing good opportunities. I don't know. I don't know what your buy model looks like, bro. Yes, the earth is flat, buddy. All right, bro. All right. Yo, what do you guys think, bro? Is the earth flat, guys? What do you guys think? What's everybody's opinion on this? Is the earth flat? Like, let's really get into it, bro. Is the earth flat? No. Not because it's hollow. No way. Honestly, don't know anymore. 100% flat. Yo, you have like a pretty... Yo, okay, let's do a poll, bro. Let's do a poll. Is the earth flat? All right, vote in the poll. Damn, most people are saying no right now. Yo, by the way, while you guys are going and voting on the poll, since you have enough time to go do all that, how about you guys like the stream too? How about we do that as well? How about everybody likes the stream? Thank you very much. Everybody go tap the like button on the screen. Okay? If you got enough energy to go and vote on the poll, you got enough energy to like the stream too. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so everybody is saying that the earth is not flat right now. So like... You guys might be cooked. Special K. Okay, okay. Wait, Special K. What's your name in the YouTube chat, Special K? Mac. Where are you at, Mac? What do you think? What do I think? Like, do I think the earth is flat? Is that what you're asking? Okay, you ready? I was on a submarine, bro. You can't circumnavigate upside down. Okay, so you think the earth is flat then? You know what's funny? Like, anybody that does things like that like flies airplanes, like pilots or, you know, whatever, they all say the earth is flat. Something to think about, huh? All right, you guys ready? Oh, wait, fuck, Mac. Hold up. Kind of fucked that up. Yo, hold up. Yo, the wheel is malfunctioning, bro. Hold on. Yo! Hitting. Yo, this wheel is low-key broken, bro. Bro. Okay. I figured it out. Ready? All right. Damn, Mac. Lucid 50K. All right, Mac. Let me get you your Lucid. By the way, I think this is my last Lucid account to give that they gave to me. So now I gotta go back to fucking buying them again. Yeah, bro, this is my last Lucid account that they gave to me. Everybody use code KEY on Lucid so that they give me more accounts to give to you guys. Thank you very much. Lucid 50K flex. All right, there you go, Mac. Enjoy, brother. I can see the curvature of the earth from my house. Why do you only see 37 miles? Because the earth is round as fuck. Damn. True. I'm pilot and the earth looks like a banana. I need me a TPT account. Guys, if you need a TPT account and you want to get a hoodie like this, all you need to do is go over to TPT, select the account, type in key in the coupon code, and you will get it for 40% off with no activation fee. It is it is the best deal in the prop firm space from any prop firm right now that exists. I want that hoodie. You have to be super extra ultra profitable for this. That's the problem. Like, a lot of people aren't there yet. That's the thing, right? So like, when you're super ultra profitable, they give you the hoodie. Like, you don't even gotta ask. They give it to you. I got one today, code KEY. Let's go. By the way, guys, the PDF is almost back. Very close to bringing it back. The PDF is almost back. Okay. And I am also bringing back the monthly giveaways, right? So for the last month, I didn't do it. Because low-key, the main reason is because I gave away like all my fucking codes, so I didn't have any more. But if you guys don't know, I used to have a PDF. I still have the PDF. The website's just broken. But anybody who uses code KEY on any of the prop firms in the description below or the ones above, with the exception of Funded Next. Funded Next is not in there, but you can use code KEY on Funded Next as well. You can automatically claim the PDF. It goes through my entire model, right? Has a full like breakdown of my entire model, my scaling plan, how I scale prop firm accounts, 1 day pass, like how to do 1 day passes, like all that stuff. It has everything there. So it's pretty sick, but the website got broken, so I'm gonna bring that back soon. So anybody who uses code KEY, you guys can use that. And then also, if you use it, you're automatically entered to win a giveaway at the end of the month. At the end of every single month, I give away between 10 to 20 accounts, depending on how many I get that month from these prop firms. And I give them all away. And I just pick winners from the people who used code KEY throughout the month on different firms. So if you want to get a free account or you want to have a chance to win a free account, make sure you guys go use code Key. And yeah, that's it. We did lead the 15-minute open. Good good catch. So let's see if we can come tap this and go uppies from there. Have you ever done shrooms? Bro, no. I don't do, like, drugs like that, bro. That's crazy. I've never done, like, drugs. How do you get the price on the right side of the chart? You mean the left side? Right here, you right-click it, and then you just do the move scale to right or move scale to left. Like, ew, this looks disgusting. Moving that back. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What have I done? Yo! Guys, low-key, the market's going down. Look. Oh, shit. Difference between shrooms and LSD? I have no idea. I'm the wrong person to ask. Caught a 15-minute and 5-minute there stacked. FVG means higher confluence. Yeah, usually, yeah. Usually, yes. Absolutely. How do you flip it? You right-click and invert scale. Like if I just change the colors around, yo, look. You guys would never know. You guys would be like, yo, what the flip is going on, bro? Actually, I'm not even going to change them. That's too much work to change back. But, like, yeah, now people are going to come into the stream and be like, yo, what market is this guy trading? Like, hold up. What market is this guy trading, man? Joined late, thought this was Mythbusters debunking flat earth. Yeah, we're just having a little, like, heart-to-heart. Yeah, wasn't there supposed to be an eclipse today? Wasn't there supposed to be a solar eclipse or an eclipse? It was supposed to be an eclipse of some sort. In Europe? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Solar PD array. Do aliens exist? I definitely think aliens exist. You guys think we're in the entire, like, universe alone? I don't know. I think aliens exist. Hey, markets are trash. Thank you for letting me know, brother. I appreciate that. I can neither confirm nor deny. Damn, Abel got some fucking, he got some insider information, bro. He said I can neither confirm nor deny. Can we get this 15-minute? Please and thank you. Found the Mossad agent. Equal lows on the 1 minute that we didn't take out. Asia definitely making a new low. I think I see which ones you're talking about, and I believe they're right here. If these are the ones you're talking about. They're not, I mean, they're relatively equal, but yeah, let's see. Let's see what it does. Let us see. This 15-minute gap will be the key, right? Because if we bounce from this 15-minute gap here, then it's going to continue up. If we cannot bounce from this 15-minute gap, like we don't get a 1 minute CSD up, then cooked. We're going down to those lows. So let's see. Let's see. But we will use this 15-minute gap. For those of you guys who are confused about daily bias, I went over at the start of the stream. So just go back to the start of the stream. I went over my daily bias there, and then you can come back. Liquidity swept for the bearish. For bearish on daily 4-hour. SMT doesn't mean anything, bro. SMT doesn't mean anything. Does it matter? NQ took that interim high, but ES didn't. Well, it just forms SMT, but it's not going to mean anything until we have a setup that plays off of the SMT. Are we in a trade? Are we getting in a trade? I feel gambling hard, brother. You should just walk away if that's your mindset. Do yourself a favor, just walk away, bro. Because that is how you blow accounts, my friend. That is how you blow accounts. Go to the start of the stream for bias, guys. Start of the stream for bias. I don't really have a strong bias coming into today, bro. I'm letting the market show me what it wants to do. Failure swings on the 4-hour. I think they're going to get taken. Like, we will take the previous week high at some point here. Sooner or later. But right now, like for this session, just let this 15-minute gap here show you what this thing wants to do. Okay? Just let the 15-minute gap show you what it wants to do. That's it. I didn't trade in New York this morning, no. I haven't been trading New York all week, bro. It's been garbage. You guys know that. If you guys been watching New York, you know it's been garbage. Worst New York week in recent memory, yeah. Yup. How to find out market is garbage? I don't know. Look at it. Accidentally entered in minis instead of micros. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Unless the trade's going in your favor, then that's good. Usual risk per trade on funded. 200, 300, sometimes a little bit more. Depends. It depends, really, on how good the setup is. What's up? How you feeling? Good, bro. What's up, nephew? Just so you know, I use your code for 5 Apex for NFP. I blew them. I was 200 away from passing all 5 and bought 5 more for CPI and passed only 1 spin, question mark, LOL. You know what, bro? You know what, Showbiz? Wait, Showbiz, you've already gotten spins before, haven't you? Usual risk on evals. On evals, I risk a lot more, bro. I risk a lot more. Yo, no way, guys. Lol is back. Oh my god, lol. Yo, lol. What happened with the girl you were risen up in the chat, bro? Did you, like, you link up? Or, bro, what happened, bro? Lol. Yo, you haven't been in here in a minute. You gotta give us the update, bro. What happened? Past Apex need to get to 53,600 for payout. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. Can I get a spin because I'm always in the stream even while at work? Everybody will, bro. Let me tell you guys this, bro. If you guys stick around for long enough, I think everybody will get a chance to, you know, get a spin at some point. All right? Everybody will get a chance to spin at some point. Just chill, just pull up. I got her Insta and we talking. Lolo, bro. Lolo. She's cool, NGL. Damn, Lolo. Yo, this is it, guys. This is a love story that started here in the chat, bro. This guy, Lolo, started risen up this, like, random girl that pulled up in the chat. Started risen her up. Boom. IG. Boom. They're talking. Boom. Maybachs and G-Wagons at the airport when she pulls up. You know, like, bro, this guy's crazy. I'm 21 and she's 28. I don't mind, though. Damn. Damn, bro. Yo, Lolo, it's not gonna matter, bro. When she sees the entourage at the airport, it's not gonna matter. It's not gonna matter, all right? She's my future Slavic wife. Is she confirmed it's a female? I don't know. Lolo would know, bro. I don't know. It was a random girl that I don't even remember her name. I have no idea who it was, but I just know that Lolo started risen her up, bro. He had his eye on the prize. What happened to your Russian chick? That's who we're talking about. That's the one Lolo was talking to. Drop her IG in chat? Nah, that's crazy. We called she's real? Yo, bro, lol. It's like, yo, damn, it's like actually getting serious, huh? Damn. What the flip? Yo, that's crazy. He gave her an account he won? Yeah, bro, he did. He won an account and he was like, yo, here. He gave her his account, bro. Lolo's for sure gonna show her his evals, bro. He's gonna show her his 5-pack of 50k evals. Be like, yo, look. Yo, peep. Peep this. I got 250k right here. Get Lolo a spin. He's such a dog. Yo, Lolo, bro. Dude, he's just gonna give, if you win something, he's just gonna give it to another girl in the chat, bro, this guy. So, like, you know, it's not even gonna matter, bro. I'll give my spin to Yasi. What did I tell you, bro? What did I tell you? I told you guys. I told you guys, bro. Somebody said, did he fill the gap? Are we just gonna skip that? Nah, I didn't say, Yasi, I didn't say he's getting a spin. I didn't say he's getting a spin. Relax. Calm down. Calm down. Chill out. Chill out a little bit. All right. We're inversing this 15-minute, by the way, guys. So depending on how we close here, you know. Guys, the thing with Lolo, bro, is that, like, bro, he's got a lot of money. So, like, you know, I don't want to air out his business and, like, what he does and shit. But, like, bro, the guy's got a lot of money. So, you know, like, not for nothing, bro. Like, game is easy when you have money. Like, you know, like, bro, if the girl, like, if he's giving her his Instagram and, like, if he's, like, showing his lifestyle on Instagram, brother, you know, like, that's a lock, you know? What up, Key? Remember me? Yeah, bro, of course, of course. Took a fat break, trying to come back to trading this month. Nice, bro. Well, it's nice to see you, bro. I hope you keep coming in. Sauce plus banger trades, and you can find your chick just a 10 keys stream. True. True, true. I had a friend, he met up with a girl he met online, never seen him again since then. Yeah, but bro, the thing with Lolo is that it would be like the other way around, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, brother. Short from 864. Okay, so look, let's look at this. Let's take a look at this. Everybody step back. Everybody step aside for a little bit, okay? Let's take a look at what's happening, because now, like, we can actually get a trade here, right? We might actually get a trade here. 15-minute fair value gap. If this inverses, I would have to assume that the 4-hour high is in, okay? Like, it's hard to assume that because we don't have a pity array here that this is delivering from, right? This 15-minute Wixie, it never got hit. So we don't have a pity array up there. So it's difficult to assume that, okay, this high is for sure in. But we do have a sweep of the Asia high right here. And we do have an inverse fair value gap if this candle closes. So this is one of those gaps that we can trade. We're able to trade this one because it actually swept the high. If it didn't sweep the high, I would be like, no, it doesn't matter. But we swept the high, so it has to work. So let's see what this does. As this closes in the next 8 minutes, I may or may not, if we get a like, I might even get like an early trade in here, bro, because it's already 10:30. I'm on eval. I might just get an early trade in here. Let's see. Hold up. If I take this 3-minute gap here with a stop loss at this high and a TP at, let's say, these lows. 2.28 R. Why is my risk? Wait, why is... Oh, there we go. My risk is 470 to make 1,000. Frick it. Frick it, let's go. Frick it, let's run it. Frick it, bro. We're gonna try it out. Yo, we shorting? Yeah, I'm trying it out. Let's see. It's filling one con at a time, like, I guess. And I'm in. Just took that 3-minute fair value gap pullback. The 15-minute hasn't closed yet. So, like, it's a little bit risky. It's an early entry. So, let's see. Still six and a half minutes left for this to close. Let us see. In eval only, guys. I'm only taking this on eval. Not taking any funded, nothing, no funded. Only eval. All right? Only eval. Let's see how this closes. Depending on how this closes, I may add more. I may not. Wait, hold up. How much will this make if it wins? 1,000? It's not even consistency, bro. Let's see. If we get 1 minute CISD here, I'm reversing the position. If we get 1 minute CISD there, like a 1 minute closure up top, I'm gonna reverse the position if we do that. But until then, I'm gonna stay in. The 15 minutes or the 1 minute CISD is the only thing that can like stop this trade in its tracks. Because we have a 15-minute gap, obviously we're delivering from, right? And 15-minute order block down here too. Full port jort. Full port on this is 6 minis. I don't think I'm putting 6 minis on a trade, bro. Let's see. I'll reverse if it closes above the CISD. I'll reverse it. Same position, 10, and then stop at this low instead. Low key, it didn't close yet. It didn't close yet. But I think it probably will. Yeah, I think it probably will. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Yo, I just spilled water on myself. Okay, I'm just going to reverse that there. Stop loss goes here. And I'm down to add a little bit more to this as well. There's the 1 minute CISD. So let's see. Let's see if this can deliver higher. I mean, bro, like the only places this has to deliver higher would be here, here. So New York PM highs, right? Both New York PM highs. And then previous day high and then previous week high. I don't know. I don't know about previous week high today, but let's see. Let's see. I'm going to reserve the other half of this position because I can put on two. I would be willing to put on 2 minis. I'll reserve the other half of this position for the Wixie. Right? Like if we can close this candle here, the following candle will probably come down, take Wixie. I'll reserve the other half for the Wixie. So I think that would be the move. That would be the move. Request another payout, up 8K so far for the month. Gonna chill for tonight. Nice, bro. Yo, Joel, let's go. Yo, Joel was, by the way, he was crashing out the one day in VC because he was like, I forget what he did. What did you do, Joel? You're crashing out that one day in VC. Now you're taking an 8K payout. W. Hitting the reverse version out of short. Hitting the reverse button out a short that quick is wild. Why is that wild? It was going against me. On some whack-ass evals I full ported? Oh. Sorry, bro. At least it was just evals. Never seen you take a short before we close through the gap. I was just assuming that it might close through the gap. I just, bro, realistically, the only reason I did it was because I was on evals. So I was like, fuck it, whatever. But this would be like the proper trade, obviously. Honestly, low-key, it's your guys' fault for not telling me that that's a bad trade. That's all of your guys' fault. I'm gonna blame that on you guys. That's not my fault at all. How much evals do you trade? I'm just trading one, bro. Trading one right now. We're on one eval. ATM. Don't criticize Key. He's too cute. A true trader blames chat. Exactly. Exactly, bro. Why would you have not taken the previous 15-minute FVG? I showed it earlier. We had 3 different buy models coming out of that. So, like, that's why I didn't. Key, you look like Josh O Block. Who the fuck is that? Josh O Block. This guy just said that this is what I look like. Ban him. Ban him right now. Key, you look like Tempo. Ban him too. True. Ban him too. Lanto question mark. Ban him as well. Ban everybody. Mods? You guys ever seen that clip? Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Wait. I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna play it. Hold up. This is what I need you guys to do.
Crimea River, get fucking banned permanently, you piece of fucking shit. Fuck you. Mods, ban everyone! Ban everyone now!
This is what I need you guys.
I want all my viewers permad.
I want all my viewers permad. Everybody, let's go. Start banning. Everybody. Everybody's banned. Bro. Yo, that guy is hilarious, bro. Delor, he's so funny. Can I get banned? No, Gorpcore, you're #1 in the chat right now, so no, absolutely not. Yo, they banned Gorpcore. They banned the #1 in the chat. Oh my god, they're actually going. Mods are actually going. Anything about Lucid dailies? Brother, I'm not gonna lie, for daily payouts, I've said this before, I'll say it again. For daily payouts, there is nothing better than the greatest. The greatest of all time, TPT. The GOAT. There is nothing better. If we're talking about daily payout accounts, it is literally the best. Nothing compares. Sorry. Like, nothing compares. You guys can name 50 different fucking firms. It won't compare, bro. TPT is the best when it comes to daily payouts. Low-key, you resemble, don't exactly look like him, but resemble Zayn Malik. Okay. I mean, that he's like a pretty, like, conventionally attractive guy, so that's fine. Yeah, I'll take that one. That's a good one. Yep. Yep, I like that. Bro, guys. Yo, 9. How long did you ban people for, gang? Bro. Hold up. I don't even know how to check. How do I even, like... Bro, I don't even know how to check. I just clicked. Bro, 9. Chill, 9. You're actually banning them. I was joking. And now I gotta go unban them. All right, hold up. How do I even unmute them, bro? Settings, YouTube Studio, settings. Bro, I literally don't even know how to fucking unmute people, bro. How do I unmute people? Can somebody tell me? Community moderation. Okay. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Okay. Who's all... How do I even see? fuck is this? Yo, there's somebody in this fucking... Yo, bro. There's somebody in here that's muted named Keyflow GF. Bro, what the fuck? What is wrong with people? Bro, I can't go unmuting all these people because, like, some of them have actually been muted for a reason. Like... Wait, Robbie, why is he unmute? John Wick unmute. Oh, Nay, Harry. Okay, I see. Yas. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Hold up. I just fucked up, bro. Alright. I don't know who you guys muted, bro. Who did you guys even fucking mute? Nick? I don't see his name in here, though, in the hidden. I don't see his name. What happened to the premium VC? What do you mean? Bro, I literally don't see his name here. Go on banned or hidden? I'm on hidden right now. And his name's not on here. I don't know, maybe his name is like... What's his YouTube name? Maybe his YouTube name is something else. I'm under hidden users. I literally don't know where to find them, bro. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I think Nick is cooked. I think Nick and fucking Gorpcore, my #1 chatter of the day, is cooked. Because, like, I literally do not see their names here. So, like... Go under timeout. Where's there is no section for timeout though. User management. There's no section for timeout. How to... Untime out someone in YouTube live chat. Open the live stream where the YouTube is timed out. Understand. Oh my god. Understand that timeouts last for the set period and cannot be reversed once applied. 9. You cooked them, bro. It's over for them. To avoid accidental timeouts in the future, review moderation actions carefully before confirming. Bro. This guy just cooked half my chat. Wow, 9. Neo 9, can you, like, now you gotta talk more to make up for the words that they were gonna say. So now 9, you need to talk a lot more. Let's go 9. Nick goes, bro, I cannot breathe. Yo, bro. Bro, 9. Gorpcore said that they hope that both the sides of your pillow are warm today. Just so you know. Give Phaser a mod, he'll run a tight ship. Joke's on you, I don't sleep. Could you explain the plan for today, please? Bro, we're in along, man. That's the plan. That guy just got premium last week and now he's banned on YouTube. You need to fire your mods. Nah, it's 5 minutes. Nick said it was a 5-minute mute. It's all right. We don't have pillows in this third world country. Do you think load day has been put in? I would like to think so now after this move. I would like to think that, yeah. Hi, I'm from India. Are you in a trade? I don't know, Minimon. I don't know. I'm not sure, bro. Never mind, it's 24 hours? Oh. Yeah, Nick, bro. Nick, I'm sorry, but you're cooked, bro. I'm sorry, but you're cooked, Nick. This guy 9 had a fucking trigger finger, bro. Greetings from India. Are we going short? Yo, bro. Are you going to watch the Islam fight? I am. Yo, guys, I'm going to be at the Islam fight. So if you guys are there and you want to say what's up, you see me, say what's up, bro. But I am going to the Islam fight this weekend. So I would love to meet a few of you guys. So if you guys are there, you know, come up. Don't be shy. Like, don't be weird, bro. Just come. Pull up. Me too. Bro, pull up, Dennis. I would love to meet you, man. Try to use your code key on my phone to futures and it would not work. Are you not an affiliate? On my phone to futures? Who the hell is my phone to futures? My funded futures? Is that what you just meant to say? My funded futures, it's code Keyflow. Did you watch the movie The Odyssey? I did, bro. Such a good movie. Good ass movie. If you need any dental work, I'm in Boston. I can take care of you. Yo, are you saying that my fucking teeth are ass? Is that what you're saying? Because you're right. They are. But all right, man. Thank you. Greetings from Tel Aviv. Are we getting liquidated? Nah, dude. We're doing the liquidation tonight. We're doing the liquidation tonight. I'm going to Xfinity Live for the prelims probably. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be there for the prelims as well. So I'm going to be there like 6 p.m., 7 p.m. and I'll be there, you know, the whole time. Where you want to meet there? I don't know, bro. Just if you see me like somewhere in there, I don't know, bro. If you see me, you see me, bro. Pull up. Just say what's up. If I see you, can I take a picture and send it back home to Tel Aviv? Of course, bro. Of course. Of course, man. Y'all should do a Philly meetup since every ICT YouTuber is in the area. You, Dodgy, Matt. I'm gonna be with Dodgy on Monday night. I'm gonna link up with him. We're gonna do dinner in New York, but I mean, Matt, yeah, we could do something with Matt as well. I don't know. Let's see. Is there something about the first 15-minute FVG you wouldn't take? I mean, we had 3 CISD. If you were looking at it and just made the first CISD. If it made the first one, I would have taken it, yeah. I would have taken it. And I would have lost on that one. What do you think about PPI? What do I think about it? Take him to a restaurant called Zotter. You will thank me later. Okay. Is it in the Philly area or what? Or New York? To New York? I'm not doing the dinner, bro. AB, it's Apex dinner, so like I just got invited. But if I go myself, you know, one of the days, I'll be sure to stop by there. Can I get a spin for the sake of our long-last friendship? I'll send you some honey. You know I haven't gotten a spin once. You know what, Igor? I'll give you a spin if you send me a jar of honey. The fresh one, whatever you got. All right? No, they're doing a dinner in New York, bro. Brown Star. It's just me and Dodgy. Damn, Igor, that says $100 cash. Low-key, that's not fair, because I deadass just paid for that fucking honey like 50 times over again. Alright, bro. It's alright. I got you. I gotta send out the money tonight, because I owe Fuji 50 from yesterday as well. There you go, Igor. Zotter is in Astoria, Queens. I have no idea where it is. I want a free spin. You don't even have to give me the prize. All right, I'll spin it off the screen. It's spinning. It landed on nothing. No joke, it landed on nothing. I swear to God, AMS. I can't even make this shit up. Thanks, my man. Of course, bro. I got you. I got you, Igor. I got you, bro. Is there a way you'd believe that this 15-minute wouldn't work? I mean, the one you just took, general question. If it doesn't respect the Wixie. Where's the dinner? Blasky, you're the last person I would tell where the dinner, because you're a big fucking Dodgy fan, bro. Like, I'm afraid that if I tell you where it is, you'll show up and you'll ask for autographs from Dodgy, bro. Like, I can't have that. So you should do song requests? No, because I can get banned, bro, for playing like the copyrighted songs. I can get banned. I'm not doing that. I wish I could do that. I would, but can't do it. Will you be closing some out when we take out that point, or just moving stop to BE? When we hit this point, I'll just move to BE, bro. I would like to see like these highs, New York PM highs, to go to fully BP. I hope Dodgy don't embarrass y'all. Nah, he won't. I mean, he is a little, like, the thing with Dodgy is, like, bro, Dodgy's a good guy, bro. He's a good kid. I don't have anything bad to say about Dodgy. Sometimes he can be a little cringe. He knows that. But I think it's like an act that he puts on, you know? But Dodgy's a good kid and he means well. I will say that. No way, Gorpcore's back. Oh my god, Gorpcore's back. Take that, 9. Yo. Is 9 still here? I don't know. 9, are you here? Yo. 9. Gorpcore is back with a fucking vengeance, brother. What are you gonna do? Fresh off the ban. 9, I hope you hit every red light when you're already late. How'd you learn to trade? By losing money, bro. By losing money. Why was he banned? Injustice. Injustice was done. Injustice was done. Good thing we don't have electricity. Yeah, they have a horse and carriages over there. Or schools. They don't have schools over there either. Yes, this is true. 9 is from, like, the final boss third world country, bro. I think it's time to end stream. Yeah, we're getting there. Yo, just say you want me to go, bro, Legend765. Like, just say you want me to go. Like, damn, bro. Yo, Legend, eat a Frank. Do you trade all sessions? What do you think I am, a robot? Does PPI tomorrow react similar to CPI today? Sometimes it can. Sometimes it doesn't. It just kind of depends on the day. What are we looking at for take profit? The levels above, the 15-minute swing highs above. Pass my first 50k TPT eval tonight. Hopefully work towards 2k buffer tomorrow. Can you talk a little as to what you like about trading Asia Thursday session? Semi-predictable or not? Thanks. Yeah, Asia is always... I like Asia, bro. I'm a big fan of Asia. Because of the simple fact that a lot of the highs and lows a day are put in Asia. So that's what I like. When are you getting a haircut? Yo, just say I look like shit. Like, damn. Damn, bro. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow for your information. Like, damn, man. Bro thinks you're Shinobi. I'm crying. He deadass trades all sessions. Bro, I don't know when Shinobi sleeps, bro. I don't know when he sleeps. I don't think he sleeps at all. First the teeth, now the hair. Crazy. I know, bro. I'm getting fried on this live. You know what? I'm turning my camera off. I'm getting fried too much, bro. It's over. No more camera. I'm gonna make an AI version of myself, and that's what you guys are gonna see. Lies Shinobi sleeps on streams? He does. He does. He does. This is true. Thanking Allah right now that you turned the camera off. Oh my fucking God, bro. Oh my fucking God. Nah, bro. I gotta end the stream, bro. I gotta end the stream, bro. I gotta end the stream, bro. That is crazy. Oh my God. Just kidding, I'm back. Fuck you guys. I'm back. I got jump scared. Key, you're getting cooked by chat today. Fight back. I can't even fight back, bro. I can't even fight back. What can I do, bro? Want to start journaling? Any ideas before getting started? Journal everything, bro. Everything. Everything. The latest you stay on stream? The latest I stayed on stream one time was... Guys, what time was it when we ended in London? What time was that? I think we ended at 4 a.m. 4 a.m., 5 a.m. It was late, though. It was really late. 3? It was like either 3 or 4. I don't remember. But it was 3, 4 a.m. We ended in London. We traded like the start of London, basically, as well. I fell asleep on that stream? No way. Key, can you eat a banana on live? I don't think I would ever eat a banana on live. How many bottles do you drink a day? Drink a lot. Drink a lot. What happened to London once a week? Bro, it's been trash. What do you want me to do? Like, do it again, Key. Let's do this. Not tonight. If I do it, it would be tomorrow night. I'm not doing it tonight. I will literally... Guys, it has to be one of the nights that I, like... I have to, like, sleep through the day so I can actually stay up. Otherwise, it's gonna be a Shinobi stream, and I'm gonna fall asleep right here, sitting in this chair in front of you guys. And then I'm gonna get clipped. So, I can't be doing that. Is the Discord below right? Yeah, Discord's the first link in the description, guys. You just said London's been the best lately. Yeah, but, bro, it's not like something... London is hard to predict. Like, you can't predict when London is gonna be good. I can tell you when Asia is gonna be good... And I can tell you when New York is going to be good. But, bro, London? I don't know about that. Did Shinobi knock out on stream? Oh, yeah, multiple times, bro. Like, he's snoring on stream and everything. The whole deal. Look at the 1 minute. I don't even want to, bro. Hairball, I already know what I'm going to see if I go to the 1 minute. You remember the time you were streaming when you were in Hamptons and Shinboob fell asleep? Yeah, probably, yeah. Probably. Yo, the Hamptons was sick, though. The Hamptons was sick. That whole trip was a fun trip. Show us the clip of him crashed out. I don't have it, bro. Somebody probably has it, though. Guys, whoever has it, put it in the free side of the Discord. I have it. Hamptons where? New York? Yeah, Hamptons, New York, yeah. Hey, Key, Stu here again. What's up, Stu? How many trades do you usually take? Warm regards, Stu. Yo, what a professional way of talking. I like that, Stu. How many trades do I usually take? Per session, I'll max it out at like two to three trades, usually. I don't ever take more than 3. 3 is like, you know, I'm off after 3. We need this to explode. I know, bro. We do need this to explode. Where do I make 1,500? Actually, I need to make more than 1,500. I need to make 1,700. Let's see where I make that. Where do I make $1,700? Up here. Holy fuck, I really actually need this shit to explode. Okay, I'll put a level up there. That's where I meet consistency. Warm regards, I'm from India. Can this push already? Hamptons in New York, beautiful, bro. Glad you got out there. Yeah, bro. It was very, very nice. It was extremely nice. You know what it is, though? There's a lot of like quiet. Key, you look Indian. I'm Indian and I know the feeling. Yo, that's so funny, bro. You don't actually look Indian, to be fair. I don't think I do, bro. Key, you look healthy and wealthy. Thank you, Holy. I appreciate that. 9 is a tweaker. 9 is a tweaker said Key looks like neon. Yo, 9, you have some haters this stream, bro. Bro. Love the hate. You still in your options trade? Yes. Unfortunately, I still am. S Corp or LLC? I have an S Corp. But you don't need the S Corp, bro. Okay, guys. It's almost 11:30, bro. I'm going to call it a day here. If you're not in this trade, then the only entry that I see here would be this 15-minute Wixie, right? 15-minute Wixie here could serve as a nice entry. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to call it. TPs are 906 and 928 up here. 906, 928. All right. And I'm just gonna hold this trade. That's it. I'm not gonna add any more to this position. I'm gonna go break even at 906. Right? I'm gonna go break even up here. Take a screenshot of this chart. Boom. Take a screenshot. Ready? There. Take it. All right, you took it? All right, cool. This is my break even. This is the first TP. This is where I meet consistency. So this is where I'm all out. My stop loss is down here, and that's it, bro. I'm just gonna hold this trade. This is it. But all right, guys. Love you guys, man. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow in the morning. Maybe, probably not, honestly, because it's been garbage. But tomorrow night for sure, obviously. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Peace out. Have a good one.